Hello everyone, we're going to start off with a tuna pasta salad here. The recipe is in the description box for full details of measurements. We have some elbow noodles cooked with some veggies. Got to have those veggies. Onions and celery with a little bit of carrots that's diced up thin. Now you can always use those shredded. You know how I say, it's all up to you. And now you're going to add your spices. We're going to add some salt and pepper to taste, of course. We got some tarragon, some marjoram. We got some Miracle Whip, some Dijon mustard, of course some pimentos there with a little bit of sweet relish juice. And I'm just going to mix that up. You can use mayo if you prefer. I just had Miracle Whip in my refrigerator. And you can also add a little more. You don't have to stick exactly to the recipe. It's just how creamy you like this dish. And now we're going to get to mixing. I actually like to mix my my sauce with my pasta first because I like my tuna on the chunkier side. And if I add it now, it's just going to break up more. You can use any type of tuna. Make sure you drain it though. I'm using an albacore, a solid albacore. You can also add canned salmon for a different twist on this dish. So now I'm going to add the tuna and cooked peas. They must be the frozen type, if not it'd be too mushy. I've cooled the peas down before I've added it. And I'm just going to lightly turn it over. I want to keep that tuna nice and chunky. And that's it. It is all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with this fast one bowl meal. Perfect for those days when you just really don't want to do a lot of cooking. Perfect for the next day. Oh my goodness. The leftovers are still as good. As you can see, I've paired this with a little cucumber salad for some extra veggies. You guys enjoy. Don't forget to like the video. Let me know if you've made it.